At Panasonic, voice of customer is very important to us. We want to understand a customer's environment and pain points and tailor custom solutions to help them. One thing that comes up time and time again is batteries. How can we ensure that our devices make it through their entire shift without failing? If you don't know your battery's health, there's a chance that your unit will fail. If there is an issue, if there's something that's causing that battery to drain its power, you'll have no idea. Through this voice of customer, we established a relationship and a new product called a smart battery warranty product. In this product, you're basically loading a client on your machine that's going to give you your analytics and your battery health of all the devices that you have enrolled. Once the battery health gets to 60%, we will proactively place an order for a new battery to be sent to you. When it gets to 50%, we will automatically send that battery to you, thus eliminating any kind of downtime when it comes to batteries. As an IT administrator, Panasonic will send you a weekly report showing you the state of your battery health. You also have the ability to look at the software on your machine that's installed to see your battery health as well. With our Panasonic Smart Battery Warranty, we are able to proactively send out batteries, minimizing downtime in mission-critical situations.